Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase understanding of idioms with FluentU easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by visiting the FluentU website or opening the app on your device. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the search bar. Type in idioms to find relevant content. You will see a variety of videos and exercises related to idioms. Select a video that interests you. Watch the video, paying attention to the context in which idioms are used. Take notes on any idioms you hear. After watching, look for the interactive subtitles option. Click on it to see the idioms highlighted. Hover over the idioms to reveal their meanings. Try to understand how they are used in different contexts. Next, use the quiz feature to test your knowledge. Answer questions about the idioms you've learned. Review any that you find challenging. Finally, practice using the idioms in your conversations. Incorporate them into your writing and speaking. With regular practice, you'll become more comfortable with idioms. This will enhance your overall language fluency. Enjoy your journey to mastering idioms with FluentU. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.